I don't know about you, but I love when I know that I can use the same thing in so many different ways, just as I love to style the same blazer for a gathering in the morning and for a night out. Well, in this episode, we're going to be talking about household items. Yes, your hairdryer does have 8 other interesting uses, so خلينا نكتشف شو هنن. First off, the first use is to peel off stickers. So you know when you have a sticker stuck on a table or folders or just anything and it's so hard to peel it off, so you try but you keep on ripping that paper in tiny pieces and it's so annoying. So whip that hairdryer of yours out and just let it, it's gonna melt that sticky part of the sticker and it should be easy to peel off. Now the second use is to remove wax from wooden tables. So whether you got wax on that table from a decorative candle or even a birthday candle, it's really annoying to have to scratch it off with your nails or a coin. So let it melt using the hairdryer, and when it's kind of liquidy, just wipe it off with a cloth. Now for the third use, you can mold plastic eyeglasses to the shape of your head. That is so interesting actually. So you know when you get those plastic sunglasses or eyeglasses and they really hurt you on the sides of your head when you have them on for quite a while. So what you can do is put the hairdryer on it, let it kind of heat up a bit, put it on and mold it to your face. Now I wouldn't recommend you doing that to designer eyeglasses just because they're a bit more expensive, you don't want to really ruin them. But if you have the plastic ones, the ones that you get from clothing stores or just really the cheaper ones, then you can go ahead and try that on it and it should work perfectly. Then we have band-aids. So when you have a band-aid on and you want to remove it, it can be really painful. Yeah, we've all went through that, you know it. So you just have to put that hairdryer on it and it will melt that sticky part as well, just as it does with the sticker. It does so fine with the band-aid. Then we have removing dust from decorative flowers or those really hard to reach corners. Let's say you have like a little, a vase or something with a lot of carving in it, or just really hard to reach the dust that's in those tiny corners. So use your hairdryer. And then you can also remove crayons from wallpaper. Maybe you have a younger brother or a younger sister. I personally have a younger sister and she scribbles everywhere. So if you have wallpaper on, or maybe on an important paper that she scribbled on, then you can just melt the crayons because they're also made from wax. And see, you can remove the wax with a hairdryer. You can do the same for crayons. And then you can also iron clothes with your hairdryer. So let's say you traveled and you're really not bothered to iron your clothes when you unpack. Maybe you're in a rush, maybe you're in a hotel, whatever the case, just put your shirt on your bed, spray it with some water and use your hairdryer to heat it up and loosen up those creases or wrinkles that you have on your top. Now, last but not least, the 8th interesting use of a hairdryer is to stretch your skinny jeans. You know when you wash your jeans and then they get kind of a size smaller, sometimes that's a good thing and sometimes it's not. So you can heat it up with your hairdryer and it'll loosen up a bit, wear them when they're still kind of hot from the hairdryer, and then they should be fine. So these were the 8 interesting uses of a hairdryer besides drying your hair. So if you know about any other interesting uses for a hairdryer, let us know in the comments below. Share your knowledge with us. Also, don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook so we can gossip together, and hit the subscribe button for more videos. See you!